To deposit funds on Bitget, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Assets page. Click on the Deposit button and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Choose the correct network for the cryptocurrency, as selecting the wrong network may result in lost funds. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency and network, you will be provided with a unique deposit address. This address is specific to your account and should be used for all deposits of the selected cryptocurrency. Copy the deposit address and go to the platform where you are holding the cryptocurrency, such as a wallet or another exchange. Initiate a withdrawal to the deposit address you copied from Bitget. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. After initiating the withdrawal, it may take some time for the funds to arrive in your Bitget account. The processing time varies depending on the network congestion and the speed of the blockchain. You can track the status of your deposit in the Assets page. It is essential to note that some cryptocurrencies have a minimum deposit requirement, so make sure to check the minimum deposit amount before initiating the transfer. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with depositing funds, as these may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network. To ensure a smooth deposit process, always verify the deposit address and network before initiating the transfer. It is also a good practice to test the deposit process with a small amount of funds before depositing a larger amount. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently deposit funds on Bitget. If you encounter any issues during the deposit process, you can contact Bitget support for assistance.